And this pretty much lays everything down.
I like to be educated.
Hey ladies, so I want to share with you guys how I maintain my brush cut, ball fade, skin fade, all these different ways you can call a fade in between my barbershop appointments. So I got a fresh cut today, super happy. I went super low. I was wanting to go a little lower, but he was like no, but he did clean my sides up really good. So y'all see my thing grew back, and I've been playing with this over here, so now my hair ain't acting right, but just gotta brush it right. But anywho, I want to share with you my products that I use in my hair, and then I'm going to show you how I pretty much maintain my hair. I got a haircut, so I'm going to go take a quick shower. I got to wash the little pricklies out, little leftover hair. Then I'm going to show you guys how I pretty much put my product in. I don't use many products, but I just want to share with you guys. Some of you do have brush cuts, fades, and you know, whatever you call them. So let me get into this showing you the products. So some products are all finished, but I just want to keep them. I know I'm doing a video like this because I want to show you guys. So first up is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is in coconut, and the Mayel. This is the pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse with hold. Now, I like this a lot because one, when my hair has grown out and it's not time for me to go to the barbershop just yet, or it's that week before and my hair is just acting nuts, this hair will definitely hold it down. So I like this. Next up is when I'm out of my normal products I'm getting ready to show you, I will use this. I've only had one jar of this. This here has a ton of product. And I'm halfway through this jar. So you see how I'm like right in the middle here. I don't have much hair. So me going through products is I go through this and this more than anything. So I'm on my second one of what I'm getting ready to show you. But this was pretty much like my backup when I'm out of my main product. So let's get into my main two products. And I have a new product. I just said, you know what, Kelly? Let's give this one a rest. Let's try something else. And what I am going to do, I'm going to pick up one more product. I'm becoming a product junkie with no freaking hair. We didn't do that yet. So first up is I purchased a new one. This is my favorite right here. This is it's the same brand. Yeah, it's Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor. This is mango and papaya. This is coconut. Now, I could not find mango and papaya for weeks, and I was like, I need an oil. I gotta get something. So I found this one. I used it up. I mean, it's more of the scent, if anything. It's about what scent you like. So I found this one. I'm happy. This will last me a long time because I'm just putting it in the palm of my hand and this pretty much brushing my hair down. Next up that I picked up to replace this is Cream of Nature. I haven't used Cream of Nature product in years. You hear me? So we was in the beauty supply store because you guys know I told you that I was putting some faux locks in my daughter's hair. So we was in the beauty supply store. They had a plethora of these things. They had this and they had a whole bunch of others. So since I knew the name, I said, okay, Kelly, go ahead and get it. This one here is a Style and Shine foaming mousse. No petroleum, no mineral, no dyeing. No drying alcohol, no dyeing. And this is just from the Morocco, you know, argan oil line. It says create soft wraps, defines curl, prevents frizz, adds exotic shine. Now, I will say this is not like this. This leaves your hair nice and soft. So when I was using it, say like yesterday, my hair doesn't lay down like this made it lay down because this has a whole component to it. But my hair is freshly cut. Oh yeah, baby, this gonna look real good. So I'm excited about this. And last but not least, this is my favorite hair cream right here. Patterns. I don't deviate from this. And I bought this because when I went into the store thinking they sold this in I think Target or something, or I was somewhere and I picked this one. I was like, you know what? So now I have this. So I always make sure I have this. And I also keep a little small travel one. So when I go, I can just scoop out and put it in. So pretty much this is my brush cut regimen. right here. This is it. Now when it comes to shampoo and conditioners, it's just like whatever. You guys know I recently picked up one from Target. Let me get it and show you. So I picked up this brand right here. It's nice. Again, I don't need anything crazy. I just get whatever's in the drugstore because that's all I need. Whatever's in the drugstore. I don't need anything fancy. This is okay. It's nice. It lathers good. I like the I forgot the name of that brand, so I don't want to even mention it, but it's one that I really, really do like. I just want to use it up, and I'll probably get something different, but it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the shower, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you how I put all my stuff on. I gotta find me a clean do-rag. I gotta put my other do-rag in the dirty clothes. So I'm gonna go find me a do-rag. I'm gonna take me a shower, and I'll come back, and we're gonna get this popping, because tomorrow your girl got things to do. Okay. Shower done. Showers feel so good. Just cleaning feels so good. I mean, let's just, you know, put some moisturizer on my face because it's dry. I'm not doing a skincare routine tonight because your girl is tired and I'm cold. Today is just so cold. This is just talk inside talk. For those of you who are new here, I talk in between what I'm supposed to be doing. So that's that. So first up, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put in my patterns because I just washed my hair. I didn't condition it, but so I want to put a little, you know, add some moisture back into my hair. So just put a little bit, and I might even put more. I don't have that much hair, so as you see, just put it up there. My goal is just to coat all my teeny weeny strands, okay? I do that, and then these are my brushes. I have a hard brush, a soft brush, and then I have like a medium brush, but it has like a little curve, so it like goes to, yeah, frames your head, or I guess. So I use my hard brush, which I love, and I just pretty much comb everything in. It doesn't have to, you know, it's gonna be, you know, white. I don't worry about the product dissolving right away because it's gonna do all that inside the do-rag. Okay, so I do that. Put this away. Use this. Couple of pumps. And this pretty much lays everything down. Because one, I do have 4C hair. So even though my hair may be laid down, if I don't, I mean, I can just go ahead and go to sleep and wake up, I'll be fine. But I like my hair to look a certain way. I like for it to look like barbershop every day. So doing this will allow me to have barbershop every day. So I like to really, I don't really bother with my part because it's a fresh part. So what I do is I focus more so on the front, which is my hairline. This is all good. Now I take my soft brush and I just pretty much glide everything through. Okay? Just like that. And I may go over it with my fingers just to make sure everything is laying nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my part. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my do-rag. Let me go get it. Take my do-rag. Nothing fancy. This is not a new one. My new ones are clean somewhere. And this is like the OCD in me. I just went and pumped it again because I'm just thinking about this right here. And I don't need it, but that's just something that it's just a bad habit. So I just take it and then I just run it down. Nice and smooth. And I tie it as I make sure all these things here, I don't know what they call them. And I just wrap it around. Make sure everything is nice and neat. And I learned not to tie it too tight so I won't get any lines. Because, I mean, you're gonna get some, but I just make sure that I don't get. Okay, I got a little towel right here. My daughter washed all my makeup brushes for me and my beauty sponges. They look so good. And she used the oh my God, I got more stuff on me. She used the this here to clean my makeup brushes. So they smell so good. They all sit here nice and clean. I thanked her. I went and got my hair cut. And I said, you want to wash my beauty sponges? And she said, well, I'll wash the brushes too. So yeah, I'm blessed. I got some good daughters. So I just did that, wrapped it up, and your girl is good to go. So I'm gonna come back in the morning. I'm gonna show you the full process, and I'm gonna show you me just putting this on and getting everything nice and right. So that's it for tonight. I will come back in the morning. Good morning. I was up early washing. See, I got wet stuff all on my sleeve. Clean my bathroom. I'm just trying to wait. You know how you gotta put your little seasoning in the tub and your seasoning in the shower? So I'm doing that right now. And I'm gonna wash my tub out after I finish chit chatting with you guys, because I start cleaning these tubs, it's gonna be a whole thing. But I wanna show you how my hair turned out. I did take my do-rag off last night and like put it on like loose, because it was a little bit too tight for your girl. When I put it on, it felt good, but a little bit too tight. And I hope this angle will be good. So what I'm going to use, my third step would be to use this. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. I mentioned it earlier or yesterday. The mango papaya. Love this stuff. So I'm going to put it right here. And then I take it out. And then you see my waves. So you see a little line right here because I did push it up. Y'all, my head was sizzling in the middle of the night. So I was like, let me unloosen this. I just take a little bit. I don't need much. And I usually may go back and get more. But I just do this. And I tell you, this hairstyle, I've had it for 3 years, going on 4. And it might even be 4. I put a lot of oil because my scalp is going to suck this up. I tell you, usually by the end of the day, I still have a good shine on my head, but it will be, and it also helps, like, just loosens up everything, because sometimes in the front, my line will be kind of like stringy from the brushing and having on a do-rag. So if I put this on, like massage it, then my line will come together. So I'm finished with that. Then that's when I use this brush, because this brush is more of a medium brush, but yet it's kind of soft at the same time. So I use this and I just want to go in, brush right here, because it has like a nice little curve, as you could probably see, a little curve. And I just go in and I just brush, brush, brush. And I don't need to really brush much because this is a fresh haircut. Like, if it wasn't a fresh haircut, then you'll probably see me really, really, really going to town. And then I just kind of, you know, go in and fix it up. Yep. My hairline is growing back, y'all. Woo, child. Going by that haircut. Well, I was getting makeup, but I was, you know, really not cutting my top off so my hair can grow. Whew, boy. So it's grown back, but now I'm going for to make it full again, so my hairline can be super full. I'm gonna have to, of course, use this like twice a day, like in the morning and then at night before I put my rag on. I'll give it take maybe, my hair grows quick, but to get the line back the way I want, that thickness, it's probably gonna take about 2 months. So nurturing the care. For the most part, she good. This is how I maintain my hair. I'm gonna turn you guys over this way, because I feel like you really can't see what is given this way. So let me turn you. I guess it's giving the same thing, right? But now y'all can see. Let me show you. So you see? You see? I love this haircut, y'all. My nail guy, I said nail guy, he went back to his country. You guys are tilted, my God. He went back to his country, Vietnam, for 7 weeks. And a young lady that sits in front of him, she said she would do my nails while he was gone. She said, are you in the military? She said, because a lot of women who are in the military wear short haircuts. And I was like, no, I'm not in the military. I'm in finance. She was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I said, it's not gonna be offensive, you know. You just thought that, you know. But yeah, y'all, this is it. I hope I shared with you. I don't use any products. Like when I first started, when I first got my short haircut many moons ago, I was using like a lot of products that had wax in it, and wax weighs your hair down, and you don't need that to get waves or anything. And if I would have known that earlier on, I would have known I didn't need to have those products to get waves. All you need is a nice cream, your hair, and your hair is short, so it's going to wave up. It's going to wave up. I have 4C hair, and I have waves, a lot of them. So if you have a short haircut like mine, or even lower, or maybe not lower, what do you do to maintain your cut? I'm gonna use 3 products. 3.